dive into the vibrant heart of Rio Branco, where culture and the unexpected intertwine. First, did you know Rio Branco's streets have two names? One official, one popular. Second, this city is the birthplace of Chico Mendes, the renowned environmental activist. Third, Rio Branco's cuisine is a melting pot of indigenous, Portuguese, and African influences. Now, let's flip the coin. The weirdest facts: 1, the city has a unique festival celebrating the acai berry. 2, despite being in the Amazon, the city has seen snowfall. 3, the city's time zone is peculiar, set apart from the rest of Brazil. With a population nearly reaching 414,000, Rio Branco is a city of surprises. So why not explore more with me? Follow me at Mr.Gurgels on Instagram for more intriguing tales from around the globe. Time to uncover the world, one city at a time.